Welcome everyone. Today we're going to explore some important insights that will help us understand the core of our topic. I'm excited to dive in and share valuable information that you can apply moving forward. Let's get started. It looks like this slide doesn't have any content to present. If you provide some information or points you'd like to cover, I can help craft a detailed narration for you. It looks like this slide doesn't contain any content for me to describe. Could you please provide the text or main points from the slide? That way, I can help create a clear and engaging narration for you. It looks like this slide is blank, so I'll wait for you to provide the content or let me know what key points you want to cover here. It looks like this slide doesn't have any content to discuss. If you have another slide or more details, I'm ready to help explain the key points. It looks like this slide is blank or the content didn't come through. Could you please provide the text or main points for this slide so I can create the narration script? It looks like this slide is blank or missing content. Could you please provide the details or main points you want me to cover for this slide? It looks like this slide doesn't have any specific content to discuss. If there's something you'd like me to expand on or if you want to move to the next slide, just let me know. It looks like this slide is blank or missing content. Could you please provide the text or main points you want me to cover for this slide? That way, I can create an effective narration script for you. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize the key takeaways from our discussion today. Remember, the main goal is to apply these concepts consistently and adapt them as needed to achieve the best results. Thank you for your attention and engagement throughout this presentation. Feel free to reach out with any questions or for further clarification.